A subscription is a scheduled, automated report that captures your dashboard exactly as it appears at a specific moment in time and sends it to your chosen recipients by email. That captured version is called a snapshot. You can share snapshots without exposing your live dashboards, and because they're stored for up to 1 year, you'll be able to look back and see exactly where things stood at specific moments. To create a subscription, open your dashboard and select Share Dashboard, then Subscribe to Dashboard. From there, you'll build your schedule. You can choose to send snapshots daily, on specific days of the week, or on set days each month. Next, you'll see the password field. Whether this is optional or required depends on how your Jira or Confluence administrator has configured Dashboard Hub. If a password is added, make sure you share it separately. It won't be included in the notification email. Then, add your recipients. You can search for individual Jira or Confluence users or groups. If you'd like to give recipients some context, add an optional message to the email body. When you're ready, click Save. The subscription is active immediately, and the first snapshot will go out at the next scheduled time. To view a snapshot, recipients click the link in their email. If the snapshot is password protected, they'll be prompted to enter it first. If you need to make changes to the subscription, go to Share Dashboard, then Manage Subscription. From there, you can update the schedule, recipients, or message, or delete the subscription entirely. To recap, subscriptions let you schedule automatic dashboard snapshots and deliver them to your team by email. Set your schedule, configure your recipients, add a password if needed, and save. Your stakeholders will receive consistent, point-in-time reports on the cadence that works for your team with no manual work required.